Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Renee, and today we are doing an unboxing video again, and this time the adult green Dracolich, one of the two premium Dracoliches of the Boneyard set. So let's start, shall we? I'm excited how this is gonna look. Get it outside. Here's a small sneak peek. Is there any tape? Yeah, there's tape. Here. There's tape. Here. Beneath? No, that seems like all. Nope, there's more tape. Like here, and that should be all. Yeah, that was tape beneath, but that's okay. That's okay. So now the tape is gone. So let's see the Dracolich. I got my light here so I can see a bit more. Oh yeah, it's a greenish gray, grayish green, greenish gray. I'm not sure yet. Wings are flexible. You can see here rib cage on the back. Spine here, so I can see a bit of the sail of the green dragon. You can see here the foot here, the whole leg is bone. It's very cool. You can also see this huge ring on the gargantuan base, so that indicates, yep, a Dracolich is just a huge miniature. Oh, the paint job is great. You can see some bones looking out of the Dracolich. Yeah, it's a very nice miniature, and I would try to set it up to the white dragon first. Adult white dragon, and you can see that the green Dracolich is slightly bigger in the body. The body here is slightly bigger. Yeah, the wings could be bigger, but I don't think so. That's just a position of the wings. And then I got the white Dracolich out of the Metal Evil, was it set? I'm not sure yet. Not sure against it, but that should be it. You can see that the white Dracolich is way smaller, and with this small stick here, way more unstable. But it's okay. This was maybe a bit younger adult white dragon, which became a Dracolich, and that maybe would be an older older adult green dragon. A dragon is not, and then it's a bigger and older, so they are growing. So that's absolutely suitable. Yeah. And that's the quick and dirty unboxing of the green Dracolich. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel to see more unboxing videos, maps I've drawn, and or some example encounters. And maybe more, who knows. I appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye.